Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnana Tirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parbhani. Today we have to see the science of standard 5th. In that we are in the 5th chapter. The name of the chapter is Family Values. Yesterday we have seen the chapter 4th and today we are in the chapter 5th. So friends, here in your family, how do you make the decision to go on a trip? Next, do you offer suggestion about the places to visit during the trip? Do you get to suggest which guest should be invited over during a holidays? How do you help during preparations for festivals or functions at home? These are different points. On that point, we are discussing in our home about the decision, and after the discussion there is a final decision with the help of all the participants in our families, and the final decision is taken and that is carried out with the help of all the members in our family. Okay, so in that process our family members are most important part of that discussion. There is a give and take of new ideas and discussion on these issues. Okay, so there are some members are experienced all these topics, so they share their experience to the unexperienced or new peoples or members in our family. Okay, role in decision making. Okay, see here, role in a decision making. We live together in our family. Every person likes and dislikes are different. There are different person in our family and their likes and dislikes are also different, but even though they live together, okay, thoughts and opinions can also differ. We ourselves are different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. See, if their thoughts and opinions are also different, but we ourselves are different from the others, even so our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. After discussion there is a final result, and on that final result all members are agree with that decision or result. We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well-being. We talk to each other before making decision about anything in the house. Okay, we talk to each other before making decision about anything in our house. There is need to consider the opinion of all members present in our house, and if they are correct, so accept their opinion. They are not correct, so understand their opinions and suggest to them for the good decision. Okay, next, we consult each other and make decision that everyone agrees with. In this way we are part of the decision making in our family. Okay. Next, what happens when everyone has a role in decision making? What is the reason behind this? Why there is need to everyone has a role in decision making? Each person gets the opportunity to say what they think. Understand? All person has a right to express or share his opinion with our family members. Next, by asking everyone's opinion, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspect. Okay, we feel like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. Okay, just as we have a role in making decision in our family, we also have a role in public decision making. That is same, but this process is starting from our house or our home, and after the home, that is come into the public decision and other big decisions also. In a newspaper, we read about matters requiring public participation. A few examples of such news have been summarized below. See, there are some news, and in that news there is a requirement of participation of peoples or decisions from the public or opinions of public to develop that some work or decision, to make decision on that perfect work. Okay, next, see here, citizen participate in a municipal budget planning. Citizen to decide the matters on which to spend money. See here, the budget of municipalities budget, there is need to be opinions on the budget planning of the municipal council. Some is on the water management, to store filter water, some on the roads, some on the garbage, some on the tree plantation. All these ideas or opinions municipal council requires from the public. Citizen to decide the matters on which to spend money, and the spend money, that thing is come to use to each and every person of the municipality or society. Okay, next, citizen crowd to suggest improvements to city development plan. Next, inauguration of road joining 6 villages. Joint effort by 6 villages bear fruit. See, this is most important. There is a same problem all the 6 villages, but these joint efforts by 6 villages bears fruits, and their problem is solved. We feel the need for minor changes in our environment. It is to our advantage that everyone has a role in making decision about changes in our surroundings. The government we elect makes decision regarding public matters. If we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, we can register our opinion. In this way, we can be a part of decision making process. Think, be a part of decision making process in your home. Do not form your opinion merely on the basis of what others say. share your thoughts with others. So friends, this is about the information. Today we have to see, we have to stop here. The next topic we have to take in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.